time to eat dinner. Wala kaming ginawa ngayong araw. After namin kumain, nag-take nap kami, nagising kami ng late. Nakausap ko yung magulang ko, yung kapatid ko. Hindi ko nakausap yung magulang ko kasi hindi ko sila makontak. So, yun ang nangyari ngayong araw. Walang masyadong ano. What? You don't want eggs? You said you want eggs. Eat eggs. Mag-prepare ako ng eggs. Kasi dinner namin. Yun ang request nila. So,
How many?
6 ang lulutuin ko. 1 only, habibi.
One?
Yes.
Only?
And a slice for me.
I don't know how to slice panadura, so I do the eggs.
No, you don't have to make the eggs.
How the good?
Wash lang for me.
How the good? The size?
Give me one more. Daddy will like to make panadura.
No, don't put too much panadura.
No, I will not put panadura in the egg. Fresh. He will eat.
Here the bake.
Yeah, wash ko. Ang sarap maligo. Sobra. Alam niyo, masarap yung egg na may giniling na beef, yung ground minced meat. Masarap, nilalagyan din nila on top ng egg, ng scrambled egg. Tama na siguro itong ano. Is this good? Put in that plate.
And he said he wants cabbage too.
Kalis? Ah, yung ginawa ko. Itry
Pickles.
natin, yes.
Oh,
Itry
it's
natin.
good now, the pickles?
I don't know, we'll see. Yung ginawa ko ba?
I see it. This one? It doesn't look good yet. It doesn't look good yet.
Ito yung ginawa ko guys, oh. Nagkabis.
It doesn't look good yet.
Wala, it's good. Kabis, Haida or the heart? Huh?
أيوة ماما ready?
I want to try this.
Yete and cucumber.
Ah,
And I put
I
heart.
want to try this.
Sarap ng amoy.
I want to try this. It's good, but I don't know if it's actually good. Like, you have to try it. Yeah, let me just like pick another one.
yeah, I'm why you put the candle like this? Like it's cold. Put inside something. If it's cold, that's not halal. It will make it will burn the whole thing.
I put the glass on top.
Thank you. Honestly, الصابون doesn't break.
Hey, oh.
Get the hand soap.
Why is it not hard, the pickles? It's easy to chew. I think it's good. Yum, 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 yum. Let's try the pickles.
It's nice, it's nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
هذا from the garden بابا كله.
Eh?
أنا give me نقطة. يلا it's okay, it's okay.
It's not good
It should
yet.
be crunchy. بلا it's good, but it should be crunchy. Maybe it's more.
Small and big.
No, it's more time it took. It should be crunchy. هيك.
But can you still eat it?
I will put or no? Siguro iniliwa ko ng manipis yung pickles guys. Dapat daw crunchy. Ano? Siguro marami, maliit yung panghiwa ko kaya ano, ito naman, crunchy naman siya. Ito ang crunchy. Alam mo dito sa Lebanon, paggabi hindi sila kumakain ng rice. Depende lang kung si Cheyenne kumakain siya ng rice. Pero usually ang mga Lebanese hindi sila kumakain ng rice. Puro sandwich. Tinapay, alam nyo. Yan.
I did the fasolya with. But that's it.
Yeah.
I want to eat telephone.
What?
Because.
Eh, yan. Give me a knife.
Wait, let me get my thing first.
The meat is crunchy.
Huh? I think I
Yeah.
put too much vinegar. The mette is on top. I taste.
Eat it.
I don't.
Meat,
I ate.
this is how it crunchy.
It's
It
nice.
should be like this. It should be, What do you have in a small budget of like
Yeah, Kiano. There you go, this boy.
You saw my
The meat is very, very nice. Oh my God, look how it's white.
I think we can't hear you because the windows are closed.
You take shower or show?
They're wearing my clothes.
Hala, you wanna take shower? Come eat first.
I'm not hungry
If you're not hungry.
yet.
Yeah, go na take shower lang yan. Hindi pa daw siya gutom. Bread is life ang Lebanese.
Rice is life. Philippines.
The mette is good.
You see, it's very nice and it's crunchy though.
Yeah.
They're nice. What band is it?
Hawa.
Huh?
I'm thinking to drink coffee. But I don't want.
No, drink beer and
Mag-inom daw kami ni Mr. Okay.
Mexican.
Tiitshuay lang yan. Kain kami. Kahit konti ako. Tapos mag-inom kami ni Mr. ng beer. Mexican beer.
You see, you also have my yellow.
I'm not hungry. I don't want bread. Take the bread.
Eat 2 pieces and if you want to drink beer you will feel dizzy immediately if you don't eat in
Really?
your stomach. You like it?
Hi guys, tapos na kaming kumain and gusto na ni Mr. mag-inom ng Mexican beer. So gagawa tayo ng Mexican beer kasi mag-inuman kami ni Mr. Walang problema kay Mr. Nagsishot kami minsan. Once a year. Ito Mexican. Ay, gawa ako ng Mexican beer. Isa lang naman sa akin. Sa kanya dalawa. So, yung Mexican beer pala guys is nilagyan ko ng lemon juice, ice, cube, tapos lemon na marami, salt. So, yan ang tinatawag nilang Mexican beer. Meron namang ready na siya, kaso ito yung sa Lebanese. Yung beer nila, and then lagyan lang nila ng lemon juice and salt. Yun lang. Usually ito ay iniinom nila pag summer. Okay, serve na rin kay Mister. Serve na natin at nag-inuman na tayo. Let's drink, guys.
When you come from Beirut, you enter the tunnel, you go out, look. هيدا نهر الكلب هون. هيدا you see? هيدا like the water, look the water. هيدا Jesus the King هون up.
I know.
هيدا the highway, it was like this, you see?
Let's drink. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Very nice.
Sarap. Sarap ng Mexican.
You ate something?
I ate the egg.
Yeah, so you don't feel
Don't worry.
enter the bedroom, you will
Don't
enter the bathroom.
worry. Malo? Me and my dad drink also before like this. I make for
Mexican?
him.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I make calamansi. I put. I make for him. Yung tatay ko hindi siya umiinom, pero pag ako andun, pinapainom ko siya ng beer. Yung kapatid ko ang umiinom. Pero yung tatay ko hindi. Alam nyo, try nyo ito. Lemon na may carrots at saka salt. Ang sarap. Try nyo, guys. Very crunchy. Partner ng beer. Sarap.
Cut the nuts.
Okay. Wala, I'm eating salad. Yung mga bata na sa loob. Inom tayo, guys.
Wherever you see this, you will know it's from Lebanon.
Almasa.
Almasa. يعني diamond.
The meaning is diamond.
Almasa. It's the picture is
Alam niyo ang sarap ng combination, yung maalat na maasim.
the diamond. Say in Arabic the word means almasa.
Pilsener. Yung parang yung beer sa atin, no? Yung San Miguel beer ba yun? For our, in Philippines, we call San Miguel beer. Red Horse. Pinaidam ko noon si Mr. sa Red Horse. Naku!
I drink it. It's not good now.
Ayaw niya.
Sama.
Hindi daw siya
Red Horse
matapang.
or San Miguel. We drink it, sure.
Hayat. Luwag?
Hmm? Ang bait mo.
Ako pag umiinom ako, mas maraming pulutan ang kinakain ko. When I drink, I eat more than to drink.
No, no, the taste together, it's nice.
It's nice the combination.
Yeah.
What more? Which one yours? One for me is enough. You want more?
Yeah, حط دي. One bottle يعني another bottle? لا ما بدي another one.
One other. I think I do the big lemon and I can harvest now.
You need to be yellow, yeah. ليش you are rushing? Should I go somewhere يعني?
No, but you know how much now the lemon?
I know, 200. Keep
The 6
putting water.
pieces is 196. Haram.
Keep putting water, they will get more bigger. Add more watery.
Ang mahal ng lemon ngayon. Per kilo is Nasa $2. 100 peso. Tapos ilang piraso lang and green
في مي
pa.
هلا؟ في مي؟
No, not sure. Ay, put in the morning. Ay, afternoon when George is here.
اوكي بس هلا اذا في مي put لان tomorrow ما يكون في. Very hot. They are saying 30 plus.
Ang sarap ng beer. Huh. Wow.
Very nice.
Pinapawisan na ako. Alam niyo, pag yung uminom ako ng beer, nagre-red cheek ako. At saka nag-hot yung
Very nice. Very
ano ko.
nice.
Nainit. Gusto ko mag-shower ulit. Walang problema kay Mr. kahit nag-inom ako. Hindi siya stricto.
Strict Joe.
You let me drink beer.
Drink.
Some husband, they don't let their wife to drink.
Beer, it's okay, but not getting drunk, يعني.
I remember you remember when you go to Philippines and we got married, we drink into Gigarao. Nahilo ako guys, sobrang hiya ko noon, nagsuka-suka ako. Ay bame, tapos kinarga ako ni Mister. Ay, nalala ko na yung mga yun moment.
I know you're not used.
Yeah,
Plus,
before.
plus,
Ala, I get used.
I don't know if
What you don't know?
that was good or something. What is number 2 wine in the world? Number 2 wine.
I don't know.
It's Lebanese wine. What's number 1?
I don't know.
French wine. When you say wine, French. Number 1.
Ayoko makipag-discourse kasi pag talo siya, ipapilit niya, no kaya na.
No, in wine, it's no. Number 1 France. Number 2 Lebanon. All over the world. Nobody can make like here. We are number 2 by far from number 3, and we are very close to number 1. Huh?
Who is number 3? Spain?
Hello na, Mami Laura's drag.
Tignan niyo, nagre-red check ako. I feel mainit ganito.
Mami Laura's drag.
Ito lang yung ininom namin ni Mr. Isa lang namin. Pero, nahilo ako guys. Matagal na kasi din nakainom ba. Yan, let's go man to lay down. I feel dizzy. Yan, lapot tayo dole, carry. Let's go inside guys. Tulog na ang mga anakis. Careful. Ay, Yan. Hey, I need to throw the garbage. You will throw? Yes.
شو بتخليهم؟
No, I will hold it.
لا
Yala. Ay, alhamdulillah, nakainom din kami ni Mr. Nahilo ako guys. I feel dizzy na. Wait tayo. Patulog na yung dalawa. Tapon si Mr. ng basura. Nakakahilo din uminom ano, pero okay lang yan, paminsan-minsan lang din ba. Relax. Hintayin ko siya kasi nagtapon siya ng basura. Dito nagtapon si Mr. Doon ako nagtatapon. Kita niya ba? Sabi ko, magtapon ako ng basura. Sabi niya ako na. Alam niyo si Mr. kahit ilang beer ang inumin niya, hindi yan nahihilo. Sanay. Ako, isang ano lang nahilo na ako. Ano ba yan? Pinagtatawanan niya ako. Yan. Thank you. Check natin yung mga bata. Tulog na sila. Hi guys. So, i-end ko na ang vlog namin. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Ngayon lang ulit ako magpasalamat sa inyo. And thank you sa mga sumusuporta sa Khalil Family, sa nanonood. Maraming salamat guys. God bless you all and good night. See you again. Bye bye guys. Matutulog na ako kasi inaantok na ako. Bye guys. Nakapag-relax si Mami Rola. Laura, uminom ng beer. Bye guys.